In this video, we will be unboxing a Godsey Supply black SS18 shoulder bag. So to begin the unboxing, we shall knife it up. As you can see, it's a Supreme Quiet Carry knife, just for the class. Okay. And you'll notice that we receive tennis balls. This is actually what I ordered, but Godsey made a mistake and posted that I would be receiving SS18 shoulder bag, but instead, of course, I get this is what I actually ordered, so this is probably better. It shows that they're a little more organized. So that's what we get. We get our Supreme Wilson tennis balls for free because of the last video I posted. I got a discount, so I could get these for free. So thank you, Godsey, with the thing, and of course the packing, the cushions. This, the Godsey Supply certificate of authentication, and that's about it. All right, thank you for watching, and I give Godsey a very high rating on this transaction, even though they made me a little excited thinking that I would get a shoulder bag. Well, thank you, and I got what I was expecting with the tennis balls, and that's it for today's video. Thank you.